Hey guys, my name's Hunter. Today in this little video series, I want to show you how to use Flex Rental Solutions. It's a software to track your inventory, do quoting, do billing, do cross rentals, handle labor. It has a lot of capabilities, but I'm going to show you some of the main top capabilities that I personally use. So the way Flex Rental Solutions works is it's basically a cloud-based inventory system. So every company gets their own unique website name, and then they handle the cloud storage of it. So the first step of this is to get set up with your Flex account and then have them send you your cloud URL. And then that's going to take you straight to the login page. And that's where we're going to start right here. So I'm on my Flex login. I'm just going to put in my name, my username, and my password. And it's just going to open straight up to us. It's going to have two default tabs here. We can close these with the little circle. Basically the way that Flex works is kind of like an internet browser to where you can open as many tabs as you want, and then we can just close right out of those. So starting from the left under Flex, we have logout, where we can log out when we're finished if we need to, or we can just close out of our browser. Contacts, financials, inventory, projects. I would say this projects tab is one of the most used tabs that you're going to use. So like for me, I use the calendar view a lot. And I also use quotes view, the invoices view, and the pull sheets view. Then from there, you have reports. It will basically generate a report of anything you want to see. Sales performances, profit, items that are missing, items that are broken, what gets used the most, where the majority of your income comes from. If you sell more worth of lighting, it's going to give you that percentage versus audio versus lighting versus video versus soft goods, etc. There's reports in there for everything. And then from there you have warehouse, where you can scan items in, scan items out, etc., etc. And then on the left side here, it's kind of just our, it's kind of houses all of the services that we have, the people that we have, clients, warehouses, and then all of our inventory. So as you can see, everything is built into categories, and then there's subcategories to everything. So we can say we have audio, and then we can go to audio mixers, and then it's going to give us all of our audio mixers that we have. And then you can see right to the right of that, it's going to say how many of them we have. So it's currently saying we have 0 of those. We have 1 QL1, we have 6 CL5 covers, but 7 CL5s and 9 CL5 cases. So I hope this should just be a pretty good general overview of the basic interface of Flex. Stay tuned for the next video.